Hi friends, welcome to our channel Easy Prep. So today let us look into another topic, counting of figures. So I personally think this is the topic where most of the students waste their time in the examinations, friends. So let us look into the tricks which will be useful for questions like counting of figures, friends. So now let us look into the trick, friends. So we all know that triangle is a three-sided closed figure, right? So first let us take a basic figure, friends. So in this triangle, by looking at the figure, most of us can say that there are three triangles in this figure. Those are first triangle, second triangle, and the bigger one, the whole bigger one is the third triangle, right? So, and the trick for this figure is that first simply write the number of parts in the figure and then simply add the numbers 1 plus 2, that is 3. So in this figure there are three triangles. Okay, now let us look into this figure. So first number the parts 1, 2, 3. So now add these numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. So in this figure there are 6 triangles. Okay, simple friends. Just number the parts and then add the numbers. Okay, now let us take another figure. So here same, first number the parts and then simply add those numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so 3, 6, 10. So there are 10 triangles, friends. Okay, even if I can count the figures, we will get the same numbers, friends. See 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this triangle 5, and then this triangle 6, and then the center triangle 7, and this small triangle 8, and this small triangle 9, and the whole triangle 10. Okay, okay. Now in few examinations there won't be simple figures like this, friends. So actually in many of the examinations they won't ask simple figures like this. So they may add few horizontal lines and then ask us to calculate the number of figures. So in this kind of questions our procedure will be same, friends. First write the numbers for the parts of triangles 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, then add those numbers. Okay, equal to 6 triangles. Okay, then for the upper part also write the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3, then add even those numbers of triangles. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6 triangles. Okay, so in total there will be of 6 plus 6 equal to 12 triangles, friends, in this kind of figure. Okay, simply number the parts and add the numbers. That's it, friends. And let us look into another figure. So most of our SSC or any state PSC examinations will come across this kind of figures, friends. So it will be very time taking if you go on counting the individual triangles And initially it will be looking easy, friends, while counting the individual numbers, but as you go on it will be very complicated and it will be very confusing. You will be counting the same triangles twice, or you might be missing some triangles. Okay, so our trick might be useful in these cases and will help you save a lot of time in the competitive examinations, friends, which is most important thing, that is to save our time. And there is no point while wasting our time in simply counting of figures like this, friends. So now let us look into the trick of counting figures of triangles in these kind of figures, friends. So for these kind of figures there is a trick, friends. First, simply note down the base triangles, friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So now here n equal to 4. Okay, that is 4 is an even number, right? Okay, so actually there is a formula for this kind of figures, friends, where the base number is even or odd. For even there is another, for there is a different formula, and then for odd there is another formula, friends. So first let us look into the formula for even triangles, that is n equal to 4. Okay, so for even number of base triangles, formula is number of triangles equal to 1 by 8 into n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1. Okay, friends, 1 by 8 into n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1. So in this figure let us count the number of triangles, that is 1 by 8 into 4 into 4 plus 2 6 into, so 2 into 4 8 plus 1 9, right? So 9. Now 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes, so 3 nines 27, right? So there will be 27 triangles in this figure, friends. Okay, there will be 27 triangles. Okay, so now let us look of triangle where the base triangles will be of odd number. Okay, as I said, there is another formula for the figure where the base triangles are odd numbers. See, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So for when n equal to odd, there is a formula, that is number of triangles equal to 1 by 8 of n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this minus 1 will be extra, friends, for the it will be extra for n equal to odd. So this is the only difference between n equal to even and n equal to odd. So let us find out number of triangles in this figure where n equal to 5. Okay, now let us find out, friends. So 1 by 8 into 5 into n plus 2 is 7, and 2n plus 1, that is 2 into 5 10 plus 1 11 and minus 1. Okay, so that will be of 1 by 8 into 5 sevens 35, 35 into 11. Okay, 35 into 11 0. So else 11 into 7 77, 77 fives 770 by 2, that is 385 minus 1 equal to 1 by 8 into 384. Okay, that is 8 fours 62 664 and 8 eights, so 48. Okay, so there will be 48 triangles in this kind of figure, friends. 48 triangles. See, this is the formula to find number of triangles if number of base triangles is odd. Okay, odd number like 3 5 7 9. Okay, so at most they will be asking of 7 friends, that's it. They can't ask more than, actually they won't ask, I guess, because it will be lot of time taking. So max we come across these base triangles will be 7 friends, that's it. Okay, so actually if you feel that this formula is complicated and cannot, you know, memorize this formula, then simply, I have simplified this for you. So up max they can ask only up to 7 friends. Okay, base triangles will be 7. So for this number of bases there will be these many number of triangles in that figure, friends. Okay, so if n equal to 1, there will be only one triangle. If n equal to 2 5, n equal to 3 13, n equal to 4 27, for 5 48, for 6 78, and then for 7 180, friends. So max to max they will ask only of that figure where base triangles will be 7, friends. So we can't expect where they will be asking a figure which will be having of base triangles more than 7, friends. So it will be more easy if we can remember this table, friends. Okay, and actually there are more type of questions for finding out triangles, friends. And this in part 1 we'll be looking into only these kind of figures. So in part 2 we'll be looking of counting of triangles in figures like squares, friends. Okay, like see, this is the one triangle, second, third, fourth. Okay, like these kind of figures, friends. So we'll be covering this type of figures in our part 2 of counting of figures triangles. So that's it for this video. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Prep. Please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.